And here's the Frankenstein oven. We're baking bread, potato bread. What are we up to right now? 350 watts, 350 degrees. So, it's already browning. Nice. Nice. And I think that's right around 350 because it's all in European numbers, which I don't know how to read. That was 150. What a crap is that? Give me 375. You British. So anywho, yep, the solar is running that one right now. Right now, that sun's burning my bread. Whew. Yeah, it should turn off pretty soon. Wow, this is great. Redneck style. Redneck style. Going to Alaska. The bread is burning good. Going to Alaska. Bread is burning good. Way up north. Way up north. Going to Alaska. The bread is burning good.